Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain you how to create a pages in WordPress. First of all, you have to open your website. For example, I have opened here localhost 789. 789 is my folder name, and next, this is by default home is the first page that is showing here. This is the URL localhost, then your folder name, maybe your ID number, and next by default they are showing home page. Okay, now I need to open my website in edit mode. How can I open? Just I will write here WP admin. I will write here 789 mean your ID number or folder name, then WP admin. This I have written here WP admin. WP admin. WP admin I have written here. Now I'm going to enter. I'm going to enter my username and password. My username and password is admin, and password is 123456. Okay, after this you can click on login button. Now from what I will do, I'm going to click on pages. This is pages and all pages section. I will click on the page section that is written with the name pages and all pages, and here you can see my all pages. Edit profile pages that I did in the previous video. Home is there, login, password reset. This is by default page is there. If I want to delete this page, just I click on trash. Sample page, no need to sample page. Okay, what I will do, I will click on add new page. Add new page. I will click on add new page. I will click here add new page. Okay, add new page. I'm going to click on add new page. Now from here you need to write the title of your page. It depends on your project, depends on your assignment, which type of page title you want to write it. Okay, suppose I'm writing first page. This is my first page. This is the title of the page, and then I will write the content of this page. Okay, for example, after this you want to write the contents of this page. What contents you want to display on this page, then you will type that contents. For example, I am copying from here. Here I have written just dummy text. I will copy paste from this text. Control C, copy, and I will paste there. Paste here. Just I have pasted this one. Okay, this is the title of the page, and this is the text of this page. If you want to make the heading, for example, this is my heading. You can click here. You can click on the bold to make the heading in bold. If you want to download images, you can also download from a website. I'm going to open unsplash.com. Here, for example, you want to download image related to mobile. For example, you like this image. You can download this one because here most of the images are free of cost. Image number 1, and then you can add another image. Click here and download. Just click on download. I have added 2 images. I want to add these 2 images in my web page. So you can click here. See plus button is there. This plus button. Click this plus button and you can go to image. This is image. Click on image. Upload. and download. Go to download folder and then select your required image. Select your image, click here. If you want to give in alternate text, you can also display there alternate text. Due to any reason, if this image will not display, what alternate text will display? Suppose you can write an image, mobile image. Here you can also give the rounded. If you want to give this round shape, you can give this round shape. Border, you can give border shape like this. Frame shape, which one you want, you can like it. Which one you want, you can click it. Which shape you want, you can click on it. Aspect ratio is there. If you will select this ratio, then it will display according to this one. And if you want to make it as an original, you can make it as original. Resolution large is there, medium resolution is there. This one is large, full size. This one is full size. Okay, once your page is ready, just you can click on publish. This publish button, here is the publish button. You can click on it. This is publish button. Okay, once it will publish, then you can go to the, this is the link of the page. If you need this page, sometime you need it, you can copy this one. You can copy this URL. Okay, but right now I am not copying this page. Okay, after this, what I will do, I'm going to back to the dashboard. I will click on this page, this menu to the dashboard. You can see this is my first page. If you want to show in running condition, then what you will do, you can write here localhost, then 789. Just click on 789. Okay, this first page is automatically added into the main menu. You can click on first page. Now this page has been loaded into the website, into the browser. First page, this is my heading. These are 3 paragraphs I have copied from the Word. Okay, this is the image. Okay, this is my first page. In this way, you can create many pages as much as you want it. Okay, right now I'm going to create a second page and third page. I will create 3 pages. I will use the same way. This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. In dashboard, you can go to add new pages, and here is add new pages there. Okay, suppose I'm going to create a second page. I'm write second page, and here I want to write the text. I will copy paste text from here. Control C, Control V. If you want to add table, you can also add the table. Here is the list. If you want to add the list, for example, list is there: coffee, tea, cold drink. Okay, if you want to add the table, you can also add the tables. For example, 3 rows, 3 column and 4 rows. Here I'm writing first, second and third. If you want to display anything in form of a table, just I'm writing to show you as an example. It depends on your need, what type of thing you are going to be write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If you will select all, alignment center, this is the second page. I'm going to publish. Click on publish. After this, Go to the dashboard. You can refresh this page. Now here's the first page and this is the second page. Click on second page. This is the second page that you have designed. This is the first page. Okay, student, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.